This is my workspace. I do most of my Zoom calls here and video conferencing and all of that, but at times it can get a little dark. And so this is something called a Lume Cube. I would highly recommend it. It produces a significant amount of light, and whether you're doing podcasts, whether you're doing Zoom calls, whether you're doing online videos, whatever it may be, this is an important thing to have. It actually is charging through the USB of the computer. Plugs right in there. It suctions right on the back. You can put this pretty much anywhere you want. It's adjustable, and then it's going to plug right in there, and then I can adjust how many lumens it's producing, whether I want soft light, whether I want darker. There's some nice soft light. So great, a great little gadget. If you're doing anything that requires video conferencing where you need either to look better, or you just need more light, that's a great thing to go ahead and snag.